guys, hi, this is Dina once again bringing you creative art and craft. Guess what? Today I'm going to teach you today. Yes, you see this jar in my hand, and today we are going to design this jar to make it little decorative and like a showpiece in your living room, or you can use this decorative jars in your kitchen. So let's get started. So I have this jar, the jam jar. So you have this patterns, the design already on this jar, which will make our jar very pretty, design very pretty. So I have these sticker flowers. It looks like a snowflakes. So I'm going to stick this on this bottle. So I'm going to stick this right at the center of this bottle. This is the jam bottle that I'm using. So if you have any jars lying at home and it is not getting used, you can do this very simple creative art on the jar and make it look very pretty and decorative. So this is how I have started putting this sticker flowers. You can use you can make use of the stars. If you have a sticker star, you can use that. So I have this flowers. So here right at the center I am putting this flowers like this. Okay, once this is done, the jars with the sticker, what we are going to do is I've taken a white paint and I'm going to dip a cotton. If you have a sponge, that would be better than the cotton, and I'm just going to dab it on this jar right at the center like this. So if you are going on the flower, that's fine, because we are going to remove that flower and we'll see the design that will come. So I'm just taking a cotton and dabbing this white color on this jar. So it will give a little snowy effect. You can see this? So let's do it all across this bottle and let's see what is the design that we get on this jar. So be creative, whatever you like to do. This is just the way I'm showing you can do, but you can be creative. I've used these flowers like a snowflakes. You can use stars. You can make a Christmas tree cut out and put, and then you can have this reindeers sticker you can put, and then just dab this kind of paint all across right at the center, and then here we'll do some designs. So this is how I am just dabbing. I am not using water for my paint. These are acrylic paint. You can make use of your watercolors also, but avoid water in your watercolors. That will give you a thick paint on your bottle. And if you use cotton or any kind of sponge on that this bottle, it would be nice, because it will give this kind of snowy effect or this frosty effect on your bottle. So look at this. I have just, and we'll just give this thing to dry, and once it is dried, we'll remove that sticker and see what pattern we have got right at this place where we have stick the flowers. Okay, let it dry and let's check. So this is how I have removed all the stickers, and it looks like this. So we have this kind of pattern with us, and if you put these lights, I have these lights, and if you place it inside, you can see this thing from the place where we have not painted, so it looks nice. And let's decorate more. I have uh, the satin ribbons, or the ribbons you have, or you can even paint this side of the portion. What I am going to do is, I have these foam stickers of red and green. Kids, these are the stickers, the foam stickers. I have kept it ready. Before using this, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use this rope, the jute rope or this brown rope, and I'm going to tie this. I'm going to put this here all over the. So I'm using a hot glue. I'm going to start with the hot glue. So just the starting, you can put the hot glue, and then you can just keep in between. Just keep on putting the hot glue. You don't have to put it all over the bottle, just in between. So you can see this, a very thin layer of hot glue, and it instantly gets stick instead of using your Fevicol or any kind of glue that you use. So this is how it's done. And now when you are at this end, just take it little lower. Okay, so I'm going to take this little lower and start. You can hear the sound of the bottle which is moving on the table. So I need to put some more glue over here. So you just create a pattern like this, which goes round. And be careful, if you're not comfortable using hot glue, then you can avoid this thing, and you can paint it out with your white color. So just keep on doing this. So I have a knot over here in between. Just keep on doing this. Just in between, keep on gluing. You can see this thing. So this is how I have roped it, and you can rope it. You can just complete this thing like this and come over on this bottle and cover this thing like this. Okay, and once this is done, we are just going to stick this with the glue and this jar is ready on the top like this. So kids, this is how I have done the gluing of the rope. And now what I'm going to do is, on this I'm going to put the sticker on the rope like this. Okay, and I'm going to put this leaves. Okay, this is how I'm going to put this. See that it doesn't go on the circle. So this is one, and I've taken two colors of green. So one here I'm going to put it over here. So this one side, and one more I'm going to put it you can use any kind of balls that you have, red color balls. At this edge I'm going to put one more, and these leaves like this, one here and one here like this, two colors. So this is how our jar looks like with the rope and with this design and the snowy effect. And now I'm just going to put some pearl, this white pearls. You can see this white pearls here at the center. So let's get started. So I'm going to glue this. Okay, this is just moving with my hot glue here at the center, and place this pearl like this. See this? Now we are going to do it all across this flowers. So this is how our pearl is stuck, and you can also use this kind of beads, this golden beads going across this side of your bottle. It looks little shinier and nice. See this? This will just cover up the place where it has not been painted. And it will give a Christmassy look. White, green, red and a bit of golden beads. See this? I'm really enjoying doing this. I hope kids, you will also enjoy doing some creative stuff. You need not to be doing the same what I did. You can be very much creative and use the stuff that is just lying at home. See these rope and this jam jar, I didn't use it for years, and now when I thought of making something very creative, I used all this kind of thing. Now I have kept this thing empty so that when you put this light, I have this light, and so when this thing, and I've taken this big jar of jam so that your hand can go inside and keep the lights. So once the light goes off, you can have this kind of effect on the, see, you can see this, doesn't it look beautiful? So these lights I have brought from the market. It just cost for 20 rupees, and you can get these kind of light and just place it right at the center of the jar and make your jar look more prettier.
Thank you so much for joining us today. If you liked our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.